would have made it. Never should have hated it. Never would have made it. I don't have nothing to say.
If the spirit is heavy, the pastor lay his hands on you, you gonna submit to it, you gonna fall. Lady came to my church, pastor laid his hand on her, she didn't want to hit the ground and hurt herself. She said, "Ooh, Jesus."
I love my daddy. My daddy thought he was a player. Only thing is, he was like the worst player ever. He used to always do stupid stuff to get himself caught. Feel like one time me and my mother was watching Family Feud, and he was actually on there with another family.
Well, if black people are looking for affordable living, why don't more of them live in trailer parks? Because it is affordable living, and not a lot of black people live there. The best answer I can come up with is black people don't want to live anywhere where you can steal our whole house. I mean, think about it. You out at the bar, you drinking, you having a good time.
Church. Was a test for her testimony, faith for this moment story. Also God can receive all the glory. How will I set to pray all day, every day? Put my trust in the Lord and watch your pain fade away. It was a test for her testimony, faith for this moment story. Also God can receive all the glory. How will I set to pray all day, every day? Put my trust in the Lord and watch your pain fade away. She's been living with this illness for far too long. She's starting to believe that the thing never be gone, but my faith is way too strong to let this thing go on.
Yeah. Check it, don't let this religion blur your vision. I cut with the precision of a samurai. I'm Vision Malachi with a swift incision on my decision. I stand tall like my flag, the tower over the vision. I'm blessed with this mission, we're cursed with the condition.